How to fix my payment method was declined on iPhone. Let's get started. First thing first, head over to the settings of a device. Inside settings, head over to your Apple account at the very top of the screen. Once you're in this page, move into Payment and Shipping. Now you have to enter the password of your Apple ID. Once you have entered the password, tap on Sign In at the top right corner of the screen. Now you have to wait for a while for it to load. Once you're in this page, what you want to do is remove the payment method that you have added on a device. Once you have removed, now the next thing you want to do is tap on Add Payment Method. In this page, you simply have to enter all the details of your card correctly. Once you have entered, tap on Done at the top right corner, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.